Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Gaming Basics. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix FPS drops in Mobile Legends game. So let's get started right away. If you're playing the Mobile Legends game and you experience a drop in your frame rate, then there are a few reasons that might be causing this and a few solutions as well. So let's get on with it. The first reason is that you might have power saving mode enabled on your phone. Just hover over to the power saving option from your notification bar and tap and hold on it to open it up. Now this will show you the power saving settings that is active on your phone. As you can see, if the power saving mode is turned on, then it limits your CPU speed to about 70%, which can drastically reduce the FPS in your Mobile Legends game. So make sure you turn this off before you open up your Mobile Legends game. And in most cases, this will resolve the issue of low FPS. If it still doesn't work, then there is one more thing that you can try. Simply open up your phone settings and from the settings page tap on Applications. Now from the Applications menu, scroll down and look for Mobile Legends application. Once you find it, tap on it and you will see various options. Simply scroll over and tap on Storage. You will see two options, to clear your data and clear your cache. Just go ahead and clear your cache first and see if that helps. If it does, then you're good to go. If it doesn't, then you can tap on Clear Data and proceed with deleting your user data on the application. And once you open this application after this, you will be asked to log into your account once again. But after this, your gameplay should be running smoothly. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to fix FPS drops on Mobile Legends. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching and I will see you again in the next video.